Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown book 2. Now open your countdown. Students, we are doing our chapter number 5, that is division. Today we are going to discuss page number 83. So students, you open your book and open page number 83. Okay? Students, our today's topic is division. We will do our division by using timetables. Okay, times tables. We will learn that we have learned the tables earlier. We will use our tables here to do the division. Okay, I'm going to read this statement. If you know the multiplication facts, division become easy. So students, as we know the multiplication already, we have discussed the multiplication. Let's try to do the division by using these multiplication facts. Students, look at this. Here 6 nines are 54. As we have read the table of 6 to the 9 until we got our number 54. Okay, next is, this was the multiplication. Next is the division. Now look at the students, we took our answer here 54 and we divided 6. 54 divided by 6. So we will read the table of 6 until we got the number 54. Okay, so let's read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48 and 6 nines are 54. So we got the number 54 in the table of 6 by the 9. Okay, now look at the students, when we multiply our answer and the second number, 6 nines are, then we got our first number. Okay, we have discussed this method earlier in the checking process of addition and subtraction. Now look at the second example. Look at the students, in the first we have multiplied 6 with the 9 and we can do opposite to this again. 9 6 are also 54. Now look at this, 9 6 are 54, and if we take the first number and the answer, look at this, 54 divided by 9. When we read the table of 9 until we got 54, the number is 6. Look at the students, in the second line, if we take our answer and the second number, by multiplying these two numbers we can get our answer or the first number. Look at this. Okay, now what we concluded from this example? Students, from this example we got the point that multiplication and division both are opposite to each other. They are reverse to each other. It means that if we do the multiplication, then we will do the division to check our answer, and if we do the division, we will do the multiplication to check our answer of the division. Remember these signs, students. Multiplication and division both are opposite to each other. They are reverse to each other. Okay? For this, students, you will have to remember the concept of checking. Look at this. When we do the multiplication, we will do the division to check our answer, and if we do the division, then we will do multiplication to check our answer. Okay, let's try to solve our questions on this method. Here is our statement. Do these sums, then multiply to check. We will do these sums and then we multiply to check our answers. Here is our first question that has been solved for you. Look at this, students. 36 divided by 6. Let's divide 36 by the number 6. Look at this. I have written the question in this manner. Now I will read the table of 6 until I got my number 36. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24 and 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36. Look, I got my number 36 from the table of 6 by reading it till the number 6. 6 six are 36. Okay students, look, I have got my answer and I am writing my answer here. Look at this, 36 divided by 6 and our answer is 6. Now look at this, we have done the division here, and if we want to check our answer then we will do the multiplication because they are opposite to each other. But multiplication of which numbers? We will multiply our answer and the second number in this manner. Here we are multiplying this 6 with this 6. Okay, 6 6 are 36. So we got our first number. It means that our answer is correct. So students, we will do the division first and then we will do the multiplication to check our answer. Okay. Here is our second question, 45 divided by 5. So students, we are going to divide 45 by the number 5. We will divide these numbers in this manner. So students, let's read the table of 5 until we got the number 45. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40 and 5 nines are 45. So students, here I got my number 45 from the table of 5. 5 nines are 45. Okay, here is my answer and I am writing my answer here. Look at this, when we divided 45 by the number 5, we got our answer, that is 9. So students, next step is multiplication. We are going to multiply which numbers? This 9 and our second number 9 and 5. Okay, look at this, 5 nines are 45. We have multiplied 5 with this 9 and we got the number 45, that is our first number. So our answer is correct. Here is our third question, 28 divided by 4. So students, I will read the table of 4 until I got the number 28. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 16, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24 and 4 sevens are 28. Look at this, I got my answer 28. By which number? 7. So I am going to write my number here. 4 sevens are 28. Now we are going to check our answer that either our answer is correct or not. So I will multiply my numbers, this number and my answer. So students, here I am writing my second number, multiplication and my answer. Tell me students, 4 sevens are 28. So students, I have written my answer 28. That is my first number. It means that my answer is correct. Now have a look at our next question, that is D. 18 divided by 9. I'm going to read the table of 9 until I got my number 18. Okay. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So students, I got the number 2 and I am writing it here. Next step is checking. I want to check my answer either it is correct or not. So I will do the process of multiplication. I will multiply my answer and my second number. Look at this, I have written this. answer and my second number. So tell me students, 2 nines are 18. So here is my answer, that is the same as the first number. It means that our answer is correct. Okay. Here is our next question. 16 divided by 4. Students, we will read the table of 4 until we got 16. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 and 4 fours are 16. So here we will write the number 4 because 4 fours are 16. Next step is checking. We will do the process of multiplication. We will multiply this number and our answer. 4 multiplied by 4, and tell me students, 4 fours are 16. That is same to the first number, which means our answer is correct. Next is our part F. 10 divided by 70. So students, in the table of 10 where we got the number 70, yes, 10 sevens are 70. So we have written our answer here, and now we will multiply these two numbers that can be multiplied as 10 or 7 tens are 70. Look at this, here our answer and first number are the same, which means that our answer is correct. In the part G, 42 divided by 7. So read this table of 7. Yes, 7 6 are 42. Here is our answer, and we want to check it. We will multiply these two numbers. 7 6 are, tell me students, 7 6 are 42. This number and the first number are the same, so our answer is correct. Next is our part H. Look at this students, 64 divided by 8. 8 8s are 64. So here is our answer. And for the checking, we will do the multiplication. 8 multiplied by 8, and 8 8s are 64. This number and this number. So our answer is correct. In the part I, 56 divided by 8. 8 7s are 56. Look at this. And next we are going to multiply these two numbers. 7 multiplied by 8. 7 8s are 56. Look at this. Our both answers are the same, first number and our answer. So our question is correct. In the table of 9, 9 8s are 72. So we got our answer 8 here. And in the multiplication, 8 multiplied by 9 and our answer is 72. Both answers are the same. Now in the part K, 60 divided by 6. 6 tens are 60 and our answer is 10. Next is 10 multiplied by 6. 10 6 are, look at this, 6 tens are 60. So our answer is correct because this answer and our first number are the same. Next is part L. Look at this student. We are going to divide 54 by the number 6. So 6 nines are 54. Here is our answer, that is 9. Next is the checking process. For the checking, you know that we will multiply these two numbers. 6 nines are 54 and 54, this number 54, both are the same, which means our answer is correct. 49 divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49. Here is our answer, and next we are going to multiply this number and our answer to check it. 7 sevens are 49. Look at this students, this number and this number are the same, which means that our answer is correct. Next is 15 divided by 3. Let's read the table of 3 until we got the number 5. 15, 3 5s are 15. Here is our answer. We will multiply 5 and the 3. 5 3s are 15. Look, we have solved our answers. Students, hopefully this division and multiplication concept will be clear to you. Look at this students, we have done the division first, and after that, to check it, we have done the multiplication in all the questions. Okay? Here is our second question. We will do join these sums to the correct answers. We will do the sums first and then we will join it to the correct answer. Okay? Look at this, student. Here is our first question. 80 divided by 10. Let's read the table of 10 until we got our number 80. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70 and 10 eights are 80. Look, we got our answer, that is 8. Now students, tell me, in these numbers, where is the number 8? Yes, here is the number 8. So, we will join our answer to this sum by using a line. Okay? Is this very interesting for you? Okay, students, let's do our second sum. 20 divided by 4. We will read the table of 4 until we got the number 20. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16 and 4 fives are 20. So 4 fives are 20. Answer is 5. Let's find our answer 5 in these numbers. Can you see the number 5? Yes, here is our number 5 and I'm gonna join this 5 by using a line with our sum. Look at this, students, we have joined our sum with our answer. Next is 35 divided by 5. Tell me, students, on which number we got the number 35 when we read the table of 5. Read it with me. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30 and 5 sevens are 35 and our answer is 7. So we are going to join our sum with the number 7. Tell me, students, where is the number 7? Yes, here is the number 7. So we are going to join by using a line. Look at this, student, I have joined my sum with my answer. Next step is 63 divided by 7. Let's divide the 63 by the number 7 by using our times table. Tell me, student, on which number we got the number 63 in the table of 7? 7 ones are 7. Tell me, student. Yes, 7 nines are 63. Answer is 9. So, students, find the number 9 here. Can you find it? Yes, the number is here. I am going to join it by using a line. Now look at this, students. 24 divided by 6. In the table of 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18 and 6 fours are 24. Answer is 4. Can you find the 4 here? Yes, here is the number 4. Look at this, students. We have joined our answer with our sum. Here are our next questions. We are going to read the table of 9 until we got 18. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. It's very simple. So, answer is 2. Here is our 2. Let's join it. And next is 27 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 and 9 threes are 27. So our answer is 3. Let's join the number 3 with this sum. Look at this. Here is my joining line. Next is 70 divided by 7. This is very easy. 7 tens are 70. Let's join it with the 10. Look, we have joined our answer with the sum. Next is 42 divided by 7. So students, our answer is 7 6 are 42. Let's join it with the 6. Here is our number 6. Look, we have joined it by using the line. Next is 8 divided by 8. Students, look at this. We are going to read the table of 8 until we got the number 8. This is very easy. As we know that 8 ones are 8, so our answer is 1. Let's find the 1 here. Here is the 1. Let's join it by using a line. Students, can you see the line? Here is 8 ones are 8 and our answer is 1, that is here. So students, we have joined all the sums with their correct answers. This is very easy and very interesting. Okay students, try to do it by yourself. Okay students, we have done our page number 83. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.